Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the body system. First of all, what is the body system? The system are a group of organs and tissue that works together to perform important job for the body. Body system are necessary for a complex organism to be able to survive and reproduce. There are 10 major of the body system, which are nervous system, muscular system, sensory system, circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system, immunity system, endocrine system, digestive system, and reproductive system. But we will focus on three systems, which are circulatory system, excretory system, and endocrine system. What is the function of these three systems? Circulatory system is function to transport blood and oxygen from the lungs to the various tissue of the body. Next, function of excretory system. Actually, it function to eliminate cellular waste from the body through the lungs, skin, and kidney. For endocrine system, its function is to regulate a variety of bodily functions through the secretion of hormone. How these three systems works together? And if you have kidney problems, what are the causes that associate with these systems?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Azmi. Matric number D201810829220. So I'm going to explain about the collaboration between the circulatory system and the excretory system. So proceed. Okay everyone, so I will proceed with the circulatory and excretory system. The circulatory system. The circulatory system contains the transport of nutrient, metabolic waste, water, salts, and cells which fight disease in the body. The purpose of the circulatory system is to have a transport complex to carry chemicals for the body cell. The vein carry blood to the heart, and arteries bring the blood away from the heart. Right, this is the diagram of our circulatory system in our body. Alright, excretory system. Excretory system controls water and salt balance in our body. It also removes solid wastes by getting rid of the fluids in the body. Urine is the outcome of the excretory system, balancing the amount of water and salts in our body. The kidney or one of the two kidney filter blood to remove waste. The waste and extra water are combined to make urine. When the urine enters the ureters, it leads to the bladder holding the urine. The urethra carries the urine out of the body. This is the diagram of the urinary system. Alright, the big interaction between both of the system, the blood from the circulatory system circulate through the body into the kidney, which is the part of excretory system. What happens is urea, uric acid, and water are removed from the blood, and most of the water is put back into the system. How do both systems work together? The circulatory system moves the blood throughout the body. The blood passes through the kidney, liver, lung, and skin. When the circulatory system passes blood, it goes into the excretory system. The cells in the kidney takes the liquid portion of the blood and filter out the toxins. Necessary substances and nutrients are returned to the bloodstream while the system work together to create urine. Alright, this is a diagram of the urinary process. Alright, how the system depend on each other. The excretory system assists the circulatory system by getting rid of carbon dioxide. The circulatory system helps the excretory system by giving the kidney and other organs blood. The heart is the main organ in the circulatory system and is dependent on all the time. It pumps waste like carbon dioxide, salt, and urea with our blood until it spreads to our kidney where it is filtered out. When the system complete their job, they produce urine. To sum it all up, both the circulatory and excretory system work together to produce urine. The urinary tract begins at the kidney, which filter blood to get rid of waste. The waste and extra water combine to make urine. After passing the kidney, the urine flows through two small tubes called ureter. The ureter led to the bladder, which holds the urine. From the bladder, the urine is pushed into the urethra, bringing the pee out of the body. That is all the collaboration between excretory system and circulatory system. That's all from me. Thank you.
Do you know how endocrine system help excretory system to function well? Firstly, we know that endocrine system main function is responsible for regulating our body function through releasing of hormone. Hormone that secreted by the gland will travel through bloodstream to various organ and tissue in the body. This hormone will tell the organ and tissue about what to do and how to function well. Excretory system are mainly functions to removing solid waste and fluid from the body. Urine is one of the ways that result in balancing the amount of water and salt in our body. This regulation process of body fluid and salt level is called osmoregulation. All the blood will pass through kidney to filtration where the harmful molecule will urine, while the one that good for you will stay in the bloodstream to send the other cell body. The water concentration of body is monitored by osmoreceptor in hypothalamus. This detect the concentration of electrolyte in extracellular fluid. For example, we had drink less water or in dehydration. The hypothalamus will produce polypeptide hormone known as antidiuretic hormone or ADH, which transport and release from the posterior pituitary gland. ADH will regulate the amount of water excreted by the kidney. Osmolarity will increase above threshold level, rise the ADH secretion and water retention, which cause the increasing of blood pressure. ADH travel in bloodstream to kidney and become more permeable to water. It happens because it temporarily insert water aquaporin into the kidney tubules. Thus, water move out from the kidney and reduce the volume of urine. Then, the low blood osmolarity back to normal because the water is reabsorbed into the capillaries. Is different when the blood osmolarity decrease. A negative feedback mechanism will reduce the osmoreceptor activity in hypothalamus. Then, the secretion of ADH is reduced. Reducing of ADH can increase urine production and dehydration. Another hormone that responsible in maintaining proper water balance is aldosterone. It will enhance the Na plus reabsorption and K plus secretion from the extracellular fluid in the kidney tubule. This hormone is produced in cortex of adrenal gland, where it will stimulate by decrease in blood sodium level, blood volume, or blood pressure. It will prevent the loss of Na plus from gastric juice and saliva. Thus, the reabsorption of Na plus will result in altered blood volume and blood pressure. In conclusion, if you drink more water and more hormone release, more urine formation. But if you drink less water or dehydrated, less urine formation. Thus, we can see that the endocrine system is the major controller of the excretory system.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Ashki Mutajama from SMP Biology Semester 4. Okay, today I will talk about how some person get their kidney become failure. Okay, kidney failure means the condition is the condition of the kidney become unable to filtrate the waste product from the blood. When there is low urinary output, it will make the blood flow in the glomerular become slower and will lead to the kidney lose its filtering ability. the filtrate formation will decrease in function because it will causes nitrogenous waste will accumulate in the blood and make the blood become more acidic. Okay, if the kidney failure is untreated, the filtrate formation can be stopped immediately. The pH and ionic become imbalanced in our body. Okay, this type of disease will develop silently along the years. So, for the early stage, the patient will not realize if they have this type of disease. Okay, hypertension and diabetes can be the reason of the kidney failure. Okay, but today I will focus to the hypertension. How hypertension and high blood pressure can be affect our kidney. Okay, kidney and circulatory system are depending each other. During to filter the waste product and extra fluids from the blood vessel around the kidney is one of the important element. Okay. Okay. When the condition of the blood pressure is increasing abnormally, it will cause the arteries around the kidney tissue will become narrow, weaker, and hardened. Okay. When the arteries become like that, it means the arteries has been damaged. Okay. The damaged arteries will not unable to deliver enough blood to the kidney tissues. Okay, then the nephron for filtration process cannot receive enough oxygen and nutrient to function well. Okay, when the kidney doesn't have enough blood, enough oxygen, it will slowly become damaged and fail to regulate blood pressure. Once the kidney has stopped working completely, the body fills with extra water and waste product. We call this condition as uremia, where the hand and feet become swelly. The patient with this disease will feel tired and weak because their body doesn't get enough clean blood to function properly. It is because their body has overloaded by toxin. Okay, the color of urine can be one of the symptoms of kidney failure. The color of urine may be changed either in brown, red, or purple color. In conclusion, the kidneys are an important organ in ensuring that the system in the body can function properly. If body is filled with toxin, other parts also can be affected.
Conclusion. This body system is very important to perform important job like to transport blood and oxygen from the lungs to the various tissue in our body and others. If one of your body system being disrupted, you may have chronic disease, and even worse, you will not be able to survive. So it is very important to keep our body stay healthy.